All right, we've got crude oil continuing to try to break out of this potential bull wedge, but so far it's having a hard time, but remains biased to the upside. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exness, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So you can see that we have this bear wedge identified here, and there was a breakout that triggered on Tuesday and confirmed with the daily close above this trend line and above the purple moving average for the first time in a number of days, as you can see. So this is a nice sign of strength. Then we got an inside day and a pullback to test support at the 20 again. You can see the close was right at it. And then we got a drop below there in a test of this other line right here, which is the 8-period simple moving average. And so that far that is holding as support. You can also see that today's close may be right around support of this trend line. So that leads me to believe that there's going to be another attempt to go higher with crude. First signal above today's high, 64.66, but confirmed above this the week's high at 64.90. But then we have to get above this 50 moving average orange line right here, currently at 65.24. So I would say that until there's a rally above there and a daily close above the 50, downward pressure remains, and the bullish implications of the wedge are not yet being felt. And if there's a drop below Tuesday's low of 63.05, then the situation turns decidedly more bearish in the short term, in my opinion, and we could see a drop down to the 78.6% retracement zone of 60.66. So we still have downward pressure and buying pressure competing with each other, trying to determine who's going to win out at this point. And I think, as I mentioned, the analysis indicates a slight bias to the upside, but it doesn't matter. Let's watch and see what price does, which levels are triggered, and that will tell us where the momentum is turning. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great Friday.